Aisha was playing out with her friends when suddenly an ant bit her. She started crying, and on seeing her crying, Mary Auntie said that I would prepare a dish for you that will contain a lot of ants. All the children were shocked. Why would somebody eat a dish which has all ants in it? Mary Auntie said that there are parts of India where ant is actually a food. She said that the entire area of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh has a lot of people who prepare ant as food. That was really interesting. So let's see what exactly it is. Now, many people in these areas who are from different tribes have ant as their food. So let's see how they prepare it. So first of all, they collect ants and then they cook those ants. And once they have cooked those ants, they make ant chutney out of it. And this ant chutney is sold by the locals who are from these tribes, and different people purchase this food and eat it as a very delicious dish. So you see, even ants can be food. Now, the children never had ants definitely, but they had lots of fruits all the time. So they ate fruits such as bananas and apples. You know, it's not just the fruit of banana that is eaten. Different parts of banana plant are also eaten. For example, apart from banana fruit, people eat banana stem and banana flowers. And these different parts are actually cooked into very delicious curries and eaten. So different parts of plants are also eaten as food. Now, we all have eaten potatoes, but do you know that potato is a very special kind of food? Because it is actually stem of a plant or a tuber, because it grows underground and it is not a root but a stem of a plant. Similarly, now even onion is actually part of a plant. It is the root of a plant. And you see, this is the onion plant and the root is actually underground. And this is the onion which we eat. And not only the onion, even its plant is actually eaten as food by many people. Now, apart from the roots and stem, even leaves of different plants are eaten. For example, cabbage, spinach, and kale are actually leaves of plants which are eaten in different forms. Now, you must have definitely eaten or seen eggs. And where do the eggs come from? They come from the hen, isn't it? Now, both the hen and the egg coming out of it, both are eaten by different people around the world. So you see, the actual hen or the chicken and the egg coming from it, they are also food for people. So not just hen, people also eat meat of many other animals such as goat and buffalo. So this is goat meat and this is buffalo's meat. And from goat's meat, people prepare goat's meat curry, and from buffalo meat, they prepare buffalo's meat curry. So even different animals are food for different people. Now, apart from that, you have seen fishes swimming in aquariums and even on TV. But this fish is also food for many people. And from fish, people prepare a number of different types of curries. So even fish is eaten as food in many parts of the world. Apart from that, Mary Auntie said that she has eaten bird's nest soup. Now, what exactly is bird's nest soup? Well, Mary Auntie said that she had once visited Hong Kong, and there she saw that a number of birds' nests were being sold, and those were made into delicious soups. Now, do you know these nests are not made of wood or twigs? They are actually made of saliva of the bird. and it is dried and then sold, from which you get these delicious soups. So different people have saliva of different birds. And why do they have it? Because it's not just delicious, it also has a number of health benefits. Now, another very different and unique thing which people eat is the snake's meat. Now, you must be thinking that snakes are so dangerous, but Chinese people love to have snake's meat. And according to them, it is very similar to chicken. And that is why they love to have snake's meat and also snake soup. So you see, people can also have snake as food. That is another interesting fact. But here too, the main reason is that while it is delicious, it is also beneficial for health. So tell me, snake is eaten as food in China. Is it true or is it false? Yes, it is true. Snake is actually eaten as food in China. Now, we all use cow's milk at our home. But do you know, milk from other animals are also used as food by many people? For example, in Uttarakhand, people use goat's milk as food because it is delicious. At the same time, it is considered to have a number of health benefits. Now, we all eat rice. But do you know, rice is cooked in a variety of different forms around the world? For example, apart from the steamed rice, people also prepare pulao of the same rice, or biryani of the same rice, or even fried rice. So, a single rice can be prepared in a number of ways, and it is used as food around the world in different types of forms. So you see, all the different types of food which are eaten by people can be very different depending on where they live and what type of food they love to eat. So when you sit with your family, do enjoy your food, and whenever you get an opportunity, try to have different types of food which are eaten around the world.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.